The growth of healthy tissue is regulated by specific receptors. Mutations of receptors can affect important communications about growth, which can become uncontrolled and give rise to cancer.
Recently, we've identified that patients who have an abnormal EGFR protein on the cancer cell surface due to a mutation in the gene have the receptor constitutively activated, which means it's always switched on rather than being controlled. And we now have a class of drugs which can switch that off quite effectively if that's what the underlying biology demonstrates is what's causing that lung cancer.
There are a lot of practicing oncologists today, especially in community hospitals, who do not realize the importance of the testing. We have to educate them of the importance of finding these mutations and finding them early so patients can get in first line the best treatment they can get.